Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Hello my wellness tribe, welcome to our channel Tiashardaret California. Hope you all are doing well. A very good morning to you all. Today I am taking you along to show you what I eat in a day to maintain a healthy weight while still enjoying the delicious flavors of Indian cuisine. I believe in a balanced approach that is both satisfying and sustainable. I will share all my meals from morning to night and give you a downloadable PDF recipe link so that you can enjoy these meals at your home too.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
If you are looking for more personalized guidance on your weight loss journey, I offer one-on-one health coaching tailored to your specific needs and health goals. You can contact me and book a free 30 minutes consultation. You will find all the links in the description box below. I like to start my day with a cup of water, then I drink my CCF tea. It is a blend of cumin, coriander and fennel seeds, great for digestion and boosting metabolism. Boil 1 cup of water, then add 1 teaspoon of this mixture. Cover and simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain it and then enjoy. For me, this early morning is the best time to write the gratitude journal while sipping this CCF tea. I'm going for a walk before having the breakfast. Hi friends, I had a nice walk today, but while returning I saw my staircase is dirty. And guess what? The OCD in me pushed to clean the entire floor, the entire staircase. So I had to take a shower after that, and now I'm super hungry. Let's make breakfast together. It's gonna be super simple. Today I'm making avocado toast for breakfast. Generally I don't take the bread, but today I'm super hungry. I have taken a toasted sourdough bread. Avocado is a fantastic addition to my breakfast because it's packed with healthy monosaturated fats, which are great for heart health. It also provides essential nutrients like fiber, potassium, and vitamin E. I season it with salt, pepper and lime juice. It's time for protein. I am adding egg, a side of fruit bowl. It has few raspberries and 2 pieces of mango. My husband got some mangoes from Indian grocery shop, but most of them are not good. So we are just trying to have few. Our breakfast is ready. This keeps me full and energized throughout the morning. I have a health coaching session at 11 o'clock, so I have to take a quick prep right now. Eden does not like to eat his food, but he wants to have some from my plate. It's lunchtime. I focus on getting a good balance of lean protein, fiber, and complex carbs. Today, I am having a delicious and nutritious Bengali meal. That's why today I couldn't resist for having white rice. Now the fish is going to preheated oven for baking. I try to make sure that I drink lots of water throughout the day. I prepare infused water for that. I'm genuinely excited to share what I'm having today. This is not just any regular meal. It's a bit special. I have been looking forward to showing you all a delicious and nutritious Bengali spread. I have half cup of rice, 1 cup of special Bengali dish. It's called shukto. It is a mixed vegetable dish. It has lots of vegetables including bitter gourd. We prepare this in any special occasion, and yesterday it was Bengali New Year, so it was the leftover from yesterday. Next I have half cup of shrimp curry. It is prepared in coconut, mustard and poppy seed gravy. It also has cauliflower in it. Another Bengali delicacy. This is the baked fish we prepared now. This is baked pompano. Here my goal was to show you, if you maintain the portion size, you won't be deprived of having your favorite delicacies. Let's eat. I can't wait. I was planning to visit my local nursery from couple of days, and today I'm so excited. Finally I got some time. I'm going there. Let's see what new spring collection they have. Every time I visit a plant nursery, it feels like I'm entering a different world. Like I'm lost, spellbound, surrounded by life, colors, and the calming energy of plants. I feel like bringing every single plant home with me. Though I'm not an expert gardener, whatever I know, I learned from my grandfather and my ma. They passed on their love for plants to me, and it stayed in my heart. Gardening has always been my happy space. Every morning, the first thing I do to check on my plants. I talk to them, touch their leaves, and feel their energy. It gives me peace, clarity, and a fresh start to my day. Whether it's indoor plants, balcony plants, they are part of my daily life. If you are someone who loves plants, or if you are just starting your gardening journey, trust me, plants have a magical way of making your home and heart bloom. I found some pretty spring plants. very excited to take my new green babies home. Alright, it's dinner time now. It's gonna be simple but flavorful dinner. Tonight I'm going to prepare beetroot and paneer tikki, and I'm going to serve it with salad and green chutney. I steamed beetroot and carrots. Beetroot is packed with essential nutrients like folate, potassium and antioxidants, which are great for heart health and boosting immunity. Paneer is a good source of protein, which is important for building and repairing tissues. You will find the detailed recipe in the free recipe guide. Today I am going to air fry them. While the tikkis are cooking inside the air fryer, I am prepping a quick rainbow salad. I have many salad recipes in my channel. I'll put the links in the description box. And this salad is packed with a variety of colorful vegetables. Eating a rainbow of vegetables is one of the best things you can do for your health. The different colors represent different vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. This colorful combination supports everything from boosting immunity to improving digestion and promoting healthy skin. Wow, look at this beauty! Please share this with someone who thinks healthy food is not delicious. Alright, my dinner is ready. It's a very flavorful and satisfying meal that's also packed with nutrition. What are you eating for dinner tonight? I hope you enjoyed seeing what I eat in a day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more healthy and delicious recipes along with wellness tips every week. And don't forget to download your free recipe guide. Let's all try to live our healthiest life. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.